The TOOGOOD 8.7-inch commercial meat slicer feels solidly built with a cast aluminum body and a carbon steel blade that hold up well to frequent use and clean up easily. Its adjustable thickness control lets you dial in anything from paper-thin charcuterie to hearty sandwich slices, so one machine can handle deli meat, cheese, bread, and vegetables with consistent results. The quarter-horsepower air-cooled copper motor delivers steady power for long slicing sessions without overheating, which is especially helpful when prepping large batches for parties or small food businesses. Included sharpening stones make it straightforward to keep the blade keen, and the stable rubber feet keep the slicer from wandering on the counter, which adds a reassuring layer of safety. Noise and vibration are impressively low for a slicer in this class, so you can run it in a home kitchen without feeling like you have brought in restaurant-level clatter. Despite its commercial-level performance, the footprint is compact enough for most countertops or cabinets, making it a practical choice for home cooks, campers, and small commercial setups with limited space.